So I have a 2003 Ford Expedition model XLT. So basically I was driving and I ended up hitting the side wall, which it was kind of like right here. I ended up hitting the side wall and I ended up breaking one of my tie rods from my back right side right here, and I need to basically fix it. And as you can see, this is how a tie rod looks like. So this is my left tie rod, and my right tie rod it's broken. It's not like the other one that's right here, not like this one. So I need to basically fix it because this one broke. As you can tell from here, this is hanging, and this kind of helps the tire from the back, you know, like so to drive nice and aligned and straight. So I got to take these parts out and I got to remove them. So what you're gonna need for this job, you're gonna need a jack, a tiny ratchet, and a deep socket. And the size is gonna be 13/16 on the ratchet, and the other one it's gonna be 3/4. So yeah, you're about to see that right now. 3/4. I'm gonna use it right here on this side to take out this part. Take out that. Took out the nut. Now I'm gonna take this out. Okay, I took that out. Now I gotta take this one out. So for this one, I'm gonna be using a 13/16. There you go. So put it in here. And this, by the way, is also called a I think it's called a lateral linkage. So it's also called tie rods, rear tie rods. But we also, it's, you know, it's just another name for, I think, lateral linkage. Already took it out, and I'm gonna see if I can install this one, what came from the auto parts store. So check it out as I install it. Okay, so what you guys are going to want to do with the tie rod is basically try to align the original one with the new replacement one. So all you have to do is try to turn from here and then try to increase this to go right here. Try to align it as much as you can with this one so it could be easy, and it doesn't have to require an alignment right away, but it will still give you time just so you can drive it to where you need to go, and then still be able to do whatever it is that you need to do, and still be able to take it to the mechanic shop so they can do the alignment. So all I'm gonna do right now is just I'm gonna just align it right now, and then you're gonna see that right now. And all I have to do is just turn it right here, so I'll do that right now. So that's basically how it looks like. So now it's ready for it to be installed. So you're about to see that right now. All I gotta do is just put it here and put it over there. So I'll get started. So what you're gonna want to do first is you're gonna want to put this in here first, okay? So we're gonna put that in here first. Okay. Okay, and that's how you do it. Since these are the new bolts, I don't really have to do anything, just install it. It looks like it's already there. It looks like the same as the other one. Just tighten it. Okay, it looks like we tightened it pretty good. Okay. All right, now we gotta do the next one. It's over there. Ahí va adentro, poco a poco. Pero ahí va.
Tienes que agarrar la medida del otro lado.
Sí, ya lo agarré, antes que lo poniera.
¿Cuánto es de lo
Ajá,
que...
yo lo medí exactamente como me dicen ahí. Me dice, tienes que, antes que lo hagas, tienes que medirlo.
Sí.
Y después poner. So also don't forget, you also have to use a cat so that you can move the tire, and you can put that in there. So all I gotta do is put this nut in there.
¿Ya está dentro?
Yeah. Tighten the nut. Use the ratchet and the deep socket.
No tienes esta una barra con el... Era un set de 6, pero no. ¿Qué?
Pues sí.
Que Dios le va a ayudar con un buen billete, va a comprar mucha herramienta buena. Pues Dios no quiere que sea uno pobre. Dios no quiere que sea uno pobre, porque el día menos esperado él agarra un buen billete y va y compra y
that is how you do it. That is how you install a tie rod.
Yo sé hacer un overhaul en una máquina de montecarro.
And that is it. All you got to do is just drop the cat